Hello, friends. Welcome to yet another tech review episode. Today, we are looking at two similar models of mouse, which is the Microsoft Modern Mobile Mouse and the Microsoft Surface Mobile Mouse. So, pretty much both of these models are really good mouse, and they kind of have got the similar form factor, look and feel the same, and also work kind of similar way. So we're just baking it together into a single review, and let's have a look. While we are recording this review, the mouse cost about $60 on Amazon, and is sold by Microsoft. And this is kind of how it looks in the packaging, and out of it, it's a really lightweight and usable mouse that's very easy to use. Another thing to note about the mouse is it has got a really compact form factor, and it's quite easy to use and quite easy on the hands. And unlike many other mouse, it's got a flatter form factor, which makes it easier to use without giving your hands any additional effort or pain. So that's one aspect that I kind of like pretty much about this mouse as well. The usage or the form factor or the angle at which you can hold in your hands is quite flat, and the clicks are quite different from the loud, noisy block-like clicks on the standard mouse. It's quite smooth, and it's got a really nice click as well. Pretty much the usability and the comfort in the hands is something I would like to rate this moderately priced mouse high for. Now, another awesome feature I really love about this mouse model is the Bluetooth capability. So, unlike many other mouse in the market, this particular model has got a capability to work without a Bluetooth dongle. So that means this is all you need for the mouse. And in many cases, we end up losing the Bluetooth dongle, and after which the mouse is pretty much useless. So this is easily pairable by just long clicking on the button underneath the mouse, and it's ready to be paired. And once paired, it's set and go, easily to be used. And finally, the last feature I would like to highlight here is the base, which has got the battery compartment, which is really easy to replace. It's just a one click, and then it comes off, and it's got a magnetic label that fits back very easily. So overall, this is a really well-priced mouse for that price. The quality, the usability, the durability, all of this is really good, and I really highly recommend this mouse. And if you'd like to check this out, it is available on Amazon Prime for purchase as well. So if you want to just quickly have a look at the latest price, please use the link below, and let us know if you use the mouse, how did you like it, and if there is any other model you would like to review. Thank you for watching.